Hey, hello, hello. Braveheart, nice to see you again. Hello, can you hear me? Testing, testing. One, two, three. Okay, I think everything is fine. Okay, let's go. Good, good, good. Yes, okay, thank you, thank you. Okay, you want to ask me something, is it? Okay, Tesla, later on, I'll give you guys, I think it's a very, very good trade. So maybe everyone can take together for Tesla. Okay? There will be a very good opportunity coming soon. So stay tuned for more. Yes, not there yet, not there yet. I set the alarm, I think about 3:05 or something. So likely I will take the trade. Okay. So it might be a very, very good one soon. The RR should be fantastic that high. I think easily you can get about 1:10. Okay, so later on I will announce, then after that we can all take the trade. Okay, let me scan through my charts. Yeah, usually that's the best setup that I will take. Okay, it's very rare for you to find, but then once you get it, just take the trade. Okay, the win rate is quite high. Sometimes I'm also wrong, but then whenever I see that, I will definitely take the trade. Okay, can. Braveheart, you come back later. When you are back, let me know. Okay, then after that, uh, yeah, when I announce if you are not here, then you can ask again. I will definitely give you that treat. Oh, thank you for the follow. Thank you so much. Okay, can. Braveheart, yep, you can come back later. See you around. So guys, every day in, day out, I will scan through my charts and try to find for opportunities. Marvel. Doesn't look like done to me. Maybe need to wait for a little bit more. ASML, nothing here. Wood, okay, nothing. EL. Let's see. Wait, how come the trend line is so different? What happened though? Okay. So it already broke out for EL. Let's see. What do we get here? Nothing here. Okay, small and mid cap stocks seems like they are also pulling back as well. Pinterest, nothing. Okay, Pinterest something, maybe something to keep a lookout. But as of right now, doesn't looks like there's much opportunity for Pinterest. Hello, Hazel. Nice to see you again. Wow, shake. You okay or not, Hazel? Yeah, this week the market is a bit boring, huh? There's a lot of earnings, but then, hi. Also don't have much opportunity for me. Yes, never move a little bit only. Boring. You okay now with all your earnings? I worried about you though. Okay, good. Is there any more like huge earnings this week? I think no more, right? Let's see. Where did I send her? Where did I send it? Okay, this week. No, this one is last week. Where's the this week one? Intel is today or tomorrow? Oh, today after market close, Intel. Okay, time to see how's our Intel performing already. Yeah, AL a bit bad, huh? I didn't expect that also. Right now, my my DAL is also down a little. Hello, Rick. Nice to see you again. Yeah, I laughed at random yesterday. He don't want to reply me already, is it? Later I'll ask him. Is it because I laugh at him after he don't want to give me a reply? Because yesterday, random, he sent you one chart. Then after that, the chart was quite wrong. Then after I laugh at him. Then after that, all the students start scolding me. Ayo, random. Where is he? He's not here though. He angry or what? Okay lah. Text him. Ask him where is he. Later when he come, don't talk anymore, okay? Later he demoralize. I text him, okay? I ask him where is he. Random. Set life. Just join the group only. Everybody tekan him. Fuck. You are really damn bad, especially you, Hazel. Even worse than me. At least I don't always laugh at him. Hey. Guys, today no opportunity again. Yeah, today if market very very slow, maybe we can also end early. Then after that we can go and play some games. Yesterday okay. Give your Celsius might be ready, Keep a lookout, my friend. Keep a lookout. I like it, okay, Celsius. Might be ready very very soon. Hazel. Hazel, you always play ML alone or, How come you on the way home so late? Why all of you sometimes you all go home so late though? You never play with your husband ask your husband to play together. Then when he never support you, you go and scold him. He need to work. He work at night. Ah, okay, okay, understood. But how come you go home so late today? Is it because of work? Need to go back so late. Got OT pay or not? Okay, okay, okay. Nice. Both of you gonna get very rich soon. Wow. Okay, guys, like, what's the difference though? How come, you say yours is stupid, but then his one is good? Is there like any difference? Okay, okay. Different product also. I see. Give you go and become a oil trader lah. Uh, I remember I have one client who is an oil trader. Wow, super duper rich, like super that kind, and he's young though, really really young. I think maybe 3 or 4 years older than me, but extremely rich. Not easy. Okay, okay. I also don't know how he reached that level. I remember he's a Korean, but then turned Singaporean. Yeah, his colleague just got fired. He's an oil trader. Ah, okay, okay. Oh, P&L negative. So when you say you are a bunker trader, you what you trade? I don't really understand the job scope though. I only know maybe your job got huge potential for you to become extremely rich. Maybe you can do a bit of research, What is a bunker trader? Oh, marine fuel. Okay, okay, okay. Negotiation, all that. Oh, so you're like an oil trader lah. I think it should be the same as my client, is it? We go and see, Average salary. Singapore. Average. Ayo, can make 8,000 per year. Huh? No lah. This one is like Singapore, meh? Okay lah. Average about 5,005 to about 15,000 per month, is it? I think it's per month. Yo, 8,000 to 15,000 per month. Yo. Yeah, really, I really have one client. When he engaged my service, I look at him like, how come this guy look like he's so super rich? After I asked him what he do, he told me he's an oil trader. Oil trader, living in a 12 million bungalow. And he's very young. He's like really 3 or 4 years older than me only. 3 or 4 years older than me can afford a 12 million bungalow. I was like, steady, this guy. Last time bunker market is good. Okay, okay. Yeah, I have no idea like how it works or that. That's the only thing I know. Because I'm not very close with him, so I don't ask too much. Well, guys, today like a bit, you know, possible, huh? Behind Wampo is all the Holland V area. Maybe Hazel, huh? She low profile. Then after just tell us, yeah, I stay Wampo only lah. But then it's not Wampo. It's the behind behind part of Wampo. Wampo is at Holland V there, right? Am I right? Damn far. Wait. Let me see. Did I mix up or not? Wait. Okay, wait. Wampo. Oh, okay. I mix up. Fuyo. I know liao. Hazel 100% stay at that new BTO. The new BTO, I think maybe about 7 years or something as of right now, is at, behind the Wampo market. There's only I think only 3 or 4 blocks there only. And each of the unit can be sold for more than 1 million. 100% you stay there liao lah. I don't know what block is that, but then I know that few building only. Maybe block 16, block 18, I think so. No. I think should be the 117B. Is it? Let me see. Yeah, I think it's 117B. Okay, I'm relieved lah. My Adrian brother not angry at me. Hazel, you stay there, right? Fui yo. Rich Mark. No, Adrian, you never, I sent you the chat, you never reply. I thought like, ayo, I must make you angry. Oh. Okay, I don't mean it, I don't mean it, you know. Oh, y'all, although you join my group or that, I'm also a very chill guy. I like to joke, okay? So you will see me joke all the time. Oh, Tesla, nice. Bro, our Tesla may be coming out. Okay, guys, be prepared. Okay, I need to log in my account again. Every single day. Okay. Adrian, good. Hello, potato. Hazel, you better be careful, Adrian going to get angry at you already. Okay, random. Because sometimes it's me lah, it's me when you join already, you ask me one question, I will do my best to help. Then after that, if you never reply, I will chase for answer though. So be prepared, The more you ask, the more I will chase you. Wow, Hazel, a bit too much, What you mean not fair to me? No problem. Sometimes I know you are busy, all that, and then I just want to make sure, you understand the concept better. So at least maybe tell me you don't understand this, don't understand that. I can, go make videos. But I plan to make, maybe this weekend. This weekend I'll go and make more videos. I draft a few plans already. Maybe will help you guys even better. I think just now give right. Hazel write something. Oh, I believe in you. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. You believe in Adrian or believe in me? Guys, why like no music, huh? The music die out. Hello? Play something, please. What's wrong with this website? Yeah, every time got problem. Sign in with email. You're really funny, people. Okay, play some music, please. Okay, done. Oh, you are very, very bad. This spy is still going up there. How come our stock like all coming down? Maybe I see wrong. Okay. We have a few trades that we can look at. What was it? No, not this. Yes, random. Yes, correct. Hey, Celsius, let's take this trade, okay, guys? I think we can take a look at it. It looks ready to me. Okay, I'll send this inside the group. Hey, what are you doing? Why? My God, I sell. I gotta use my phone for what? Yeah. Okay, done. Celsius, you in lah. Okay. He's a very good. Yeah, happy to push a little bit, huh? Okay, Tesla. Good trade, I think, coming soon now. Very good trade coming soon now. Okay, guys. Just wait for a little bit more. I wait for a little bit more. I will monitor what it does. Tesla, we are going to have a very good trade soon. I will monitor this area for a little bit. Then after that, I will see how is the reaction. Okay, then after that, I will likely take this trade. Did I set the alarm for this? No, I will set one more alarm. Right? Where's the alarm? Add alarm. Okay, our AMD NVIDIA still going up. Bay, good job, very nice. A to the E, yes, correct, random, correct. Uh, Below 300, maybe possible. I will need to monitor for just a little bit more. Maybe another 15 minutes or something. I will decide whether I will take the trade or not. Because it's a huge, huge, huge structure. That one, everyone can take together. Should be, the RR should be quite high. Okay, how is Spy doing? Spy hovering around this area. Okay, I go and measure this again. Spy, the next level to watch out for is about 637, around there. Oh, Discord. Sorry, my friend. So sorry. Oh, DAL, let me see, DAL. Oh, yes, DAL got stopped out already. Yeah, quite wasted, quite wasted. Yes, DAL I also think will bounce back. I think it's a good trade, but then because of earnings, they dumb down a little bit. My one also got stopped out already. DAL, where is it, Yeah, I still think DAL is a good trade, man. I really still think so. I like it. But the stop loss is a little bit too small. So sometimes this happens. But if, there's a breakout with a confirmation, we can definitely take it again. Weird how come whenever I open live stream, I cannot see your full name on Discord? Okay, HD, HD definitely I will wait for a little bit more. Before I decide, whether I want to buy it or not. Yeah, this HD like, yeah, potato, I think you can, wait for a pullback. Why like that? Wait for some sort of pullback here before you start buying. Oh yes, CCI. I've totally forget about CCI. CCI, I think we hit target now. Do you all try to flip it? Yes, hit target now. Once you hit target, I want to get out though. So guys, this is the amazing power of triangle, fantastic that kind. Oh, you out lah. Can. It's a very, very good trade out. Can definitely get out. I think I also want to get out. I will get out now. CCI, fantastic. So guys, you see, when you can read the wave structure, this is the trade that you will take. Perfect, man. Oh, we almost TP almost TP only 30 cents away only. My god, almost there. If you want to, can just what I want to say, can just leave it there and then try to target 116. If not, right, we can just get out of everything right now. Wow, this trade the RR is high, man. We reached about $1.50 only. Is it? Well, I forget now. But I will get out of everything right now. Is good, fantastic. So guys, this is what we should be doing day in, day out. We just find quality setups, we go and take trades like that. You will, make a lot of money though. I haven't get out. I want to see, how much is our RR for this CCL. CCI. Ah, fantastic. We reached about $1 plus only. Nice. Please reward damn high. How much is this? Let me try to count. Uh, 103.5 minus 101.7. So we reach about $1.80. And the current price is about 114.66 minus 103.5. Divide by our, wow, 1:6, man. Fantastic. Good trade, good trade. Hey, I need to exit my own position. Wait, one moment, huh? Okay, done. Okay lah, this alarm can delete lah. It's pretty much useless. So guys, everyone in the, the course, go and find all those triangles. Your RR is high, man. 1:6 is like, for a triangle is almost the bare minimum already. Sometimes you get 1:10, 1:15, sometimes 1:20, things like that. Can see Dash. Dash is a crypto, right? Dash. Is a crypto or is a stock? I think you're looking at the crypto. Oh, DoorDash. Okay. Come on, load please. Up. Slightly more upside. Are you going to take the trade? Hello, my chart jam away. My jam can. Book the trend line. Okay. Let's see. Fuyo. This stock just. Oh, no. IPO long time ago. How come so jam? My internet connection is okay, right? Jam is not loading. Hello? Am I disconnecting again? Are we going to end the live stream early today? Okay, you are looking to buy, is it, Rick? Jam. Okay, today pangkang early. Okay, this setup is not bad, huh? At least you can see a very clear three-way structure. And then if you were to put on this, yup, not bad, huh? Not bad at all. Yes, Rick, good job. You're getting better now. You're getting a lot better. Good job, my friend. And really, this is something that we can take. But this will just be a little bit careful because of the daily, right? Daily, you can see, you are facing two major resistance very, very soon. Oh, this stock looks a little bit like RBLX. Okay lah, but then I'm more interested in Tesla though. I want to take Tesla. Oi, coming back up a little bit. Okay, no worries guys. We can drop to 1 minute and see. Okay, 1 minute not done. Maybe more downside. We'll try to take Tesla, okay? Because if you take right now, this triangle is way too big, huh? Way too big. You're going to place a stop loss here. This is like how much? $12, $17. $17 stop loss. It's quite huge though. Trump came in to save Tesla. Yes, but then this Tesla, right, is a trade that I will always take. Then this type of wave structure, okay? So this is like a triangle. So I will definitely take this trade. The RR will be fantastic, really fantastic that type. Just that I need to go down to the 1 minute time frame or something. I need to see some sort of structure. Then I will start taking the trade. I'm not willing to risk $17 for the stop loss. No, it's not buy the dip. I use a strategy called Elliott Wave. I type for you. My English is not like the best. Maybe I pronounce wrongly. Yep. So I use this strategy. So based on this, I can more or less tell that the triangle is done already, and we should be able to get a super awesome trade. Oh, Amazon is super duper strong. My God. Netflix. Oh, I trade a lot of instrument, my friend. A lot. I have like maybe 300 stocks on my watch list. Yeah, I don't stick to, only one instrument. I jump here and there to find opportunities. Hey, what is it? Just now I want to do something though. I forget liao. My God. Hazel, are you out of Google? I think you should be out already. I seen the Amazon, yeah, but then I wanted to, jump to one ticker to see something. What is it? Is it CVNA? Okay, not ready. Definitely don't look ready to me. Yes, it's quite boring. That's the only, few positions that we have. Choice stocks, that is allowed to screen for the correct one. Not really. Tommy, when you come here long enough, you will see that I scan very fast. Yeah, because I have a specific setup that I want to, take the trade. Open door, nope. I think open door is still downside, right? Yesterday, I think these few days, a lot of people has been asking. Yep, I'm not interested. I still think more downside. Currently, it doesn't look like it's done as of right now. Okay, just now what stock when I looking at again? No, I forget liao. No problem. We go back. Press this. Affirm eh? I don't think I look at affirm, right? No, not upstart. What did I look at? Oh, DAL. Yeah, it's wasted guys. It's wasted. Our stop loss for DAL is way too small. But it's okay. If there's a next opportunity, we'll take again. UAL, yep, still looking good. How about AAL? You still in, huh? Okay, very, very nice. Yeah, because Hazel, you use a soft stop loss, right? Yeah, it's okay, it's nice. Can stay inside. Yes, Google is going down. I don't have any position for Google. Uh, okay, no student chats, Any chats over here? Okay, don't have. Hmm. Okay, we can either choose to buy Adobe. If not, we can choose to buy Tesla. Let me see. Hmm. Yeah, I think okay, guys, you have two choice. Either you buy Adobe now, if not, can wait for Tesla. It's either one of it. I also don't have much margin though. I'm not too sure because is it because I go and sold a put option for Meta, then after that, take away a lot of my margin. Tesla is rejecting quite nicely. So far, so good. How about the 1 minute? Okay, 1 minute looks good now. It looks really, really, really good. Not yet, Braveheart. But if you want to, you can do a position trade. For me, the stop loss is too wide lah. I would prefer to take something that is a smaller stop loss. So I will wait for this 1 minute part. If I see a very clear structure, I will definitely get in. Okay, then just target about 410 lah. Oh, Hazel haven't finished. Okay, no risk, no risk. When you finish the course, you will know exactly, right? Okay, when you finish the course, go back and look at CCI. Then after that, you can, monitor Tesla. You will understand why I target 410 for Tesla already. And then when you finish the flip lesson, go and flip CCI. CCI, right? The moment you do that, you will see why I put my TP there. Oh, Amazon super duper strong, my friends. Super duper strong. My god. Flip you finish, yeah. Okay lah, then you know why. Then you should be able to easily tell already. AMD also good. Yeah, our day trade, huh? AMD we do swing or day trade. Oh, swing trade. Okay, fantastic. How much are you guys up already this month? Good or not? More than 10%? I think if this month you can make about 10%, you're doing fine already. You're really doing fine. Okay, guys, Adobe got very nice trade over here. So if you all want to take, can take. Then after that, Raymond, how come you up only 3%? Hello, I love Cherry. Okay, guys, I love Cherry is also our student, just that she haven't joined into the group. Okay, so you will see her on the 1st of August. Ah, you buy sip small. Okay, okay. Bro, just follow the normal risk that we do lah. Huh? Bro, go and use a margin account, my friend. You look at the girls in our group, aggressive mark, you know. You need to be like them. Bro, I don't know lah, huh? Okay, okay, no problem, no problem, huh? You can use a cash account first, no issue. And then when you get more confident, go and use a margin account. No fear. Look at the girls, guys. Look at the girls. Raymond, you know this Hazel she damn hyung that kind. she what Okay, she go and speculate Google's earnings, AAL earnings, and Tesla earnings. What this lady up there, really up there. Please CFD ah. Hazel, you got what to recommend? Huh, you went in for what thing? For what instrument? Okay, let me see whether I got any alarm triggered. Nope, zero tenet. Okay, guys, let's. Okay, this one is an aggressive trade, guys. You all want to follow, you follow. If not, no, try to be a little bit safer. I'm not too sure whether this ending diagonal done already or not, but then I will take a very, very small risk. Okay, two. Okay, this will be a super small risk. Okay. Okay, done. Is there still any other good traits or not? Let me see here. Disney. Okay. Okay, just now someone asked about UNH, right? Did someone ask about UNH just now? Hello, Property Lee Brothers. Why Tesla dropped? Because of earnings. Okay, the earnings I think is not very good. That's why it drops. If you got extra money, maybe can consider entering Tesla. Okay, but wait for a little bit more. Wait for a little bit more. Tesla maybe something to consider. Yeah, later on, if I see the green light, I send you lah. Okay, no problem, my friend. Yes, Tesla I will share with everyone. Yeah, it should be a good trade. So take your own risk. For me, this type of test setup is something that I will always take. It's the same thing like CCI. Easily 1:6, 1:10, sometimes 1 is to like maybe 10 plus 15 or something. UAL going there, guys. Wasted our DAL. Yeah, this is our strategy, like we always use a very small stop loss. So sometimes, the moment we enter, we need the market to fire off very quickly. If it doesn't fire off, then chop around a little bit. A lot of times we'll get stopped out. That is why, you learn wave structure and learn how to identify them. So more or less you can tell, when the correction is completed, then you can start to enter. UAL, let's see. DAL. Okay. Wow, which one looks clearer though? Which structure looks a lot clearer? Oh, okay. DAL, UAL. I think DAL looks a little bit clearer. But UAL looks like it can move a little bit faster than DAL. Okay, guys, if I take this trade right, I think I will run out of margin for Tesla though. Hmm. Okay, maybe let me see Meta. Let me see whether I'll take off this trade or not. Fuyo, our Amazon short is doing well, guys. Go, go, go. Okay, I think I will take off my put option for Meta. Hopefully, I will have some margin back. Then I can buy UAL. Oh, my margin come back really nice. Uh, where is UAL? Okay. Is my chart laggy or trading view is laggy? Like the things are not loading up though. Okay, guys, let's do this again. Let's buy UAL. Okay, done. Okay. Yes, I buy UAL. But then my style is a swing trade, huh? So you all set your own TP and stop loss, okay? Tesla, I will still wait. I will still wait Tesla. Although I like it, but then 1 minute I don't have the confirmation. So I will still wait, guys. No rush, huh? Because I want to get that extremely large RR for Tesla. So I will still wait. Let me create one more alert, create a few more alerts. Wait, let me go down to the 1 minute. Okay. Roderick, fun or not? But just guys, just be careful, huh? You all know VIX, right? Yeah, VIX is extremely scary as of right now. And then where is my dad? Hey, I can't find it. Where is it, huh? Even the fear and greed index 77. Okay, 77. Recently I just feel that this fear and greed index is quite different from how it used to be though. If the market move up so much, normally this one is like maybe 80 plus, but right now it's only 77. So don't trust it so much. Below 300 quite possible, quite possible. But I need to monitor, I need to monitor and see how it develops before I get in. For a short haul, is there expiry one? Like rig for short haul, is there expiry one? Like if never set stop loss can hold for how long? Rig, you mean by short options or normal stocks? Oh yeah, nice. Okay, guys. Amazon likely we can just shift it to break even for the short. Wait, let me see. Enough room or not? Okay, we wait for a little bit more. A little bit more, we shift it to break even. Then we see whether this will start to dump or not. Oh, normal stock. As long as you put the GTC can already, I think GTC, your order lasts for, if I'm not wrong, should be 90 days. You know there's this thing called the GTC, right? Good till cancel. Yes, Braveheart. We need to wait, be patient, okay? Good setups need time to develop. I was thinking, say someone short a stock at 90, so -1 stock. Then if it goes up to the guy don't want to buy back, you can wait forever until it goes back to 90. But usually when you short, because the first thing when you short, right, you need a margin account. So the moment you use a margin account, I believe you won't be able to tank all the way until 180. Maybe 120. You already hurt like crazy already. Unless you go in short one shares, then okay that one different story maybe you can hold for very very long. But normally, even when I short, the way I place my stop loss, right, is the same how we long positions. It's exactly the same. Just that you flip the scenario to the opposite. This is the fun part about having a margin account. Yeah, like I always say, don't restrict yourself. Okay, so guys here who are not using margin account, go and learn, how to calculate your stop loss, how to manage your risk, and then go and, start a margin account. No regret, right? You still haven't seen when the market performs so badly that kind. Like maybe during tariff that type of period, right? Like something like this. You know, you are able to short and you can short and make money while everyone panic, try to time where is the bottom, here the bottom, here the bottom, here the bottom, here the bottom. You don't know where, really. You can't really, when it's coming down, you don't know, how much you can bottom, but all you need to do is that if you understand structure, right, just keep shorting. Short until, when we have a lot of signs saying that the market might, get some pullback or something, then we stop and then we monitor what it does. Yeah, it will be fun. It will really, really be fun. So far, have we shot successfully something before? Recently? I can't remember though. Hazel, I think Hazel shot something successful. I think she shorted bio. Okay, the Netflix is only Hazel. Okay, okay. That's why you see Hazel, she likes to short a lot of things. Yeah, this one is like quite a good example. So you see, right? During earnings for Netflix, okay, it was super good and then it moved this much. But then when you short nothing happened though. No earnings, no nothing. But then it dropped so much. Almost exactly the same size as this. But then of course this one is a little bit, quicker. This one is a little bit slower. So this took like maybe 2 days. Okay, Netflix is coming into the zone already. I'm quite interested though if Netflix can come to about 1153 around there. Okay, I also need to. Yes, potato VIX reaching already. Yes, correct. So be careful on that part, okay? Just be a little bit more careful. Sometimes when you reach there, you still have 1 or 2 days, 1 to 2 good days. Then after that, maybe that's it. Bye bye. That's why I keep looking at our position up and down, and monitoring this and that. I keep monitoring like AMD, Nvidia, those positions that we are holding. Open. Oh, this is not open. Okay, open going up a little. Wingstop still not ready. Aiyo, this one we should have recommended to Hazel. I think she was short though. C3AI. MLI. Okay, can MLI. MLI. Yep, this stock definitely upside. Yeah, random if you want to, rig. If you want to, you can wait for some sort of pullback, then you start buying. MSTR. Definitely pulling back. Mm, how is Bitcoin first? Okay, Bitcoin is also pulling back. Coin also pulling back. Um, I don't know this will hold or not because no, I don't see any confirmation here though. Let me see. Uh, yeah, I'm not too sure whether this zone will hold, so you can monitor for a little bit. Might be a good one though. Yeah, but because Bitcoin is also not performing well, so likely I think MSTR will go down even further. At least, but I can't tell as of right now where it will stop, but I do think that there will be more downside. I think slightly, a little bit more downside to go. Unless, Bitcoin gives me a confirmation that the correction is completed. This correction is completed. Okay, this whole correction is completed. I will start to look into MSTR. But as of right now, I don't see that. MSTR, you are at support already. Somehow like at support already, right? You can see you are at support. But this area is a bit, yeah, you are right at support already. Correct. So you just put on this horizontal line somewhere here. Yep, it's exactly inside this zone. But if this zone hold, it will be quite a good trade though. Yeah, but I'm not too sure whether this will hold or not. 1 minute. Okay, there's a potential for a day trade, but then you need to monitor your position quite fast. It will be a very, very small risk, and then you see whether you can fire off or not. And so maybe you can take the trade here, just place a stop at about 407, and then you need to move to break even quite fast. Coming back, huh? Is it coming back? Ho ho! Fantastic, guys. The power of alert wave, okay? I I don't know whether this is the ending diagonal top or not. That's the thing, because when I went to the 4 hour time frame and then I tried to look at MACD, is a little bit different from 1 hour, so I can't tell whether this is the confirmation or not. But it looks like a good shot as of right now. Okay, Amazon guys, move to break even. No need to think now. Okay, if you like to. Later on, maybe you see it coming down a little bit more, maybe to about 229 or 229.8 to about 230 around there. You can decide to book some partial profit, maybe 50% or what, then let the rest run. Tesla, good to buy now. I think it's not bad. It's not bad. If you know where to place your stop loss, can go ahead. I'm also looking to buy, but I will dive down to maybe the 1 minute chart to look for confirmation before I take the trade. Amazon move to break even. Okay, I will also shift my. Okay, done. Yeah, Tesla still don't have that green light though. You know? Yeah, unless you want to take a position trade. You want to take a position trade, you can buy now, okay? And then just place a stop loss at about 288.5. 288.5, that means you are risking about how much? 10, about $15 for this trade. But then your target is huge. Your target is about 410. Position trade meaning to say, position trade meaning to say you buy and hold the positions for weeks to months. Swing trading is like you buy the position to hold for days to weeks. Yeah, my style is I prefer swing trading so that my stop loss is a little bit smaller. I don't have to set such a wide stop loss. Because Tesla for me, $15 stop loss is huge though. That's like a position trade stop loss distance. Yeah, this is huge lah. This one 5%. 5% is already a position trade. Yeah, so if you want, you can take it. Just take, even if it's a 5% stop loss, I think it's still good. Okay, maybe coming soon now, huh? Okay, I'll go toilet. Then after that, we come back and monitor. Okay, 10:30 10:30 again. I'm always very on time. How come? Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, back. Huh? Your system very disciplined. Yellow. How come? I also don't know why. Maybe because every time before live stream, I drink coffee. It's the standard thing. I'll drink coffee and then I will start live streaming. I also think so. Like every day at the same time, it's weird though. Okay, guys, I think it's ready. We can definitely take Tesla. One moment, let me just type first and I see. How come? Oh, eh? Okay, can. Okay, guys, we'll take it as a day trade and then we monitor how it goes. Okay, we take a very small risk. If Tesla can fire off, it will be extremely good. Our RR definitely super duper high. Eh? Okay, I took it already. Oh, because the stop loss is very small, so I can buy 1000 plus. Yes, Louis, I took Tesla as a day trade. Yeah, because I have right now I'm just using it as a day trade, but then if this doesn't work, I will switch my strategy. I will take it as a swing trade. So I'm risking a very, very small amount first, and then I see how it goes. Because by right we shouldn't place a stop loss here. By right we should place a stop loss here. Okay, Rick, we see how it goes for this trade. If it can perform, fantastic, guys. Really fantastic. It will be like another CCI. I think it will be even better. So we risk very small amount. We try first. If really cannot work right, we do it as a swing trade. Yeah, I also got no margin. I also try to squeeze. My risk is like slightly a little bit less than 0.5, maybe about 0.4 around there. I also try to squeeze everything that I can. Yeah, for me, okay, it's 0.5% of my account. Slightly, I think 0.4% around there. gives or Hazel still got 20k. Okay, okay. Yeah, Rick, I think recently there are some changes to IBKR also. Just now, right, I saw a Reddit post regarding margin call from IBKR. But just now when I want to click into it, I think I accidentally, go and clear all my notification. Then I couldn't find it. I wanted to send to you. It's like maybe a few hours ago, then they started talking about it. Oh, you saw the guy margin call. Yeah, yeah, that one. Yeah, okay, okay, good. Yeah, I wanted to send that to you. Then I think I accidentally, clear all my notification. Then it's gone already. I'm not, very good with using using Reddit. I have no idea what they're posting about though. Yes, all profit then kena warning. I think because his excess liquidity maybe go below that level already. Oh yes. Rick, I went to read through. Well, some of them they make like what 1 million from the market. I don't know how long they hold it for though. One trade 1 million. Really? Got people also lose 1 million. Serious Okay, okay. Yeah, I'm my style of trading is you can tell by now I don't follow anyone. I just do my own thing day in, day out. Then when there's important news, I will, keep you guys updated. If not, most of the time, I think nothing much for you to read. You all can go to a group chat, use the important news channel, go and read a little bit, and that is more about it already. Unless I see something major that I want to warn you, okay, then I will start typing. Oh, DGen subreddit. Okay, wow. I was going through a little bit and I saw this guy. He made 1 million from one trade. 1 million. I myself, I have never seen 6 figure for one trade lah. My highest is like maybe 60 over 1,000. That's like my highest really. 1 million. King mak. A lot of them is their FU money. What is FU money? 400 412k percent profit. Yeah, the subreddit is crazy. The people inside are crazy. Oh, it's like spare cash. Okay. Oh, they're so rich. How what they do? Do you all know like what they do? How come they are so rich? One trade can make 1 million. Momo also. Momo got this like community tab. Uh I normally don't go and see. I sometimes it's a little bit funny. I remember the last time I go and look at the community chat. It was back then when everyone was discussing about SMCI. Then when the thing starts to tank, the whole community, posts who has the largest losses there. It was very funny. Okay. But I also think that people who follow that Reddit also get burned, right? Most of them, I think they get burned. No, a lot of those super large position, their profit is like 1 million on it. I look at them, right? They are not the one that buy the stocks, though. They are buying options. So imagine, I always show you guys example, right? Like those stocks that I tell you not to look. The stocks always, like that, consolidate for a long time. How long are you going to buy these options? You buy 3 months also like not right. Or buy 6 months also like, not right. WIN WINT. Wow, bro, I can't help you. The moment I look at this stock, this is the type of stock, Reddit, they like to trade something like that. Bro, I really have no idea though. For me, when I look at this, I will be, patient. I will wait for this spike. After this spike, I want to short it. If you see this spike, you tell me, okay? If can buy a put option, I will buy. Yeah, that's the thing, like this consolidation is way too long, guys. It's way too long. Imagine it drop. We don't count all the way from this top lah. We just count it when it comes to roughly about here. This is already September 2024, and until right now, this is like how long already? September until now, this is like 10 months. 10 months, you haven't even get this spike. I'm just going to imagine how long you want to stay inside this. Yeah, if you can tahan 10 months, okay lah. But for me, I want, the result to be instant one. The moment I get it, it either starts to move. If it doesn't move, I'm getting out already. Yeah, this type of stock, I would rather try to short, I think. The way I look at it. I think shorting makes more sense though, because you see, every time when it spike a little bit, straight away it dump. The dump make new low. But then when you take a look at this, the spike, right, doesn't make new high. So isn't this very clear that you will make more money from shorting? So if you see a spike, let me know. We can buy a put option. Just buy put option. Don't go and short the stock. Because sometimes you just look back and over here. This stock spiked from $158 to $750, and this is like how many percent gain? This is crazy though. This is like 400% gain. So I rather buy that put option and then I just lose the whole premium. Rather than, I try to short, then after that, 400%, I think my account GG, bye-bye. It's not about holding to prevent loss. When you hold, you're losing potential gains also. Wow, this one chimeric. And it's not about holding to prevent loss. When you hold, you're losing potential gains also. Yes, Rick, I saw VIX. Yeah, don't worry, okay? As of right now, market looks pretty calm. Okay, you look at SPY, just look at SPY. Maybe, I have one more target, which is 3637. So we see how it goes. Okay, we don't, do things just determine on one strategy. Usually we use them in combination. The more signals that we have, the better it is. Yes, Hazel, correct. Opportunity cost. I would rather, you don't try to get in and then just set alarm lah. Then after when it spike up, you just, buy a put option. Go and short it. I think you will make more money much faster. Pool Pool is still a little bit unclear, although you do have a spike up. But this area I want to see, I want to see whether there's any consolidation or not. If there is, maybe will be a good trade. But as of right now, it's neutral for me. I don't have a sense of direction. I don't know whether it's going up or down. Yeah, okay. I don't know you all notice or not. I have a few friends that came to my live stream already lah. But then I just call them by their username. Uh, if you all do notice the friends that comes to my live stream are my very very close friends Then after that, a lot of them are stuck, really stuck. That kind, they stuck in very bad trades. I don't know whether they are still here or not. Let me see they text me and scold me. Okay, I think all of them left already. Yeah, I think they left already. Yeah, so they always ask me for advice what to do if they are trade or that they have been stuck in positions for about 4 years, 5 years, and still negative. Imagine you put 10,000, 30,000 into one stock. Why not, you get in and out fast, take that loss, go and take another trade. Rather than you stuck there for 4 years, 5 years. These are all opportunity costs. 4 to 5 years, you have so much opportunity every day though, every single day. Go and find something else, take that loss, move on, find another instrument. And when you come here, you see me taking losses or that. For me, I'm totally fine because I know that in the long run, I will have very good trades that will give me very good RRs. Easily, I can cover my losses, and then easily I also can make money. Like this month, let me see. Yeah, this month I'm up about 13.6% already. Not bad, right? I take loss, I take losses also. Just only, I took a loss on DAL because my stop loss is too tight. It's my strategy I just follow along with my strategy. I take some losses here and there, but I'm still up about 13.6%. So the end of the month, I will show the account because I started a new 100K account. Just started this month only, the start of this month. Like I think, 1st of July. So I will show that public account, and then you all can track the performance. So imagine okay, I don't know whether everyone here is new or you come here for a very long time already. This is what I like to do. Just go to this and then just type the compound interest calculator. And from here, I like to show this as an example because it's a very good thing for you to manage your own expectation. So imagine you got a $10,000 account, and then your monthly growth, right? The growth on your account every month is only 5%, and then you're going to compound it every single month, and then you don't do any additional deposit. You just press on calculate. And then if you were to do this for 5 years, right, imagine your $10,000 account become roughly about 186. Then at the same time, you're just making 5% every month. But then because you use every start of the month, right, you base on your principal amount and risk that very same percentage. It can be 0.5%, can be 1%. And in one whole year, you will be up about 80%. And 80% you keep compounding, every single year. This is what you get though, 186. And then if you take this figure, same thing. You take this figure. I don't need to take this figure. I will change it 8 years. 8 years, you go and calculate 5% every month. 8 years later, from a $10,000 account, you can hit your 1 million goal. You don't need, crazy growth that kind. I believe a lot of you here are quite young. You definitely have 8 years, right? And some of you, I think your account is definitely higher than, much more than 10,000. You'll reach this 1 million goal much more quicker. And so you don't have to have like crazy returns that type. Even I myself, I target about 5%. That's like the bare minimum. Yes, Rick, good man. Rick, are you up a lot? Got over 10% or not? Okay, we go and see, okay? Normally, you don't have to, beat yourself down or what. What I like to do, right, is that I like to go and see SPY, and then I look at where SPY started the month, okay? So we go and find 1st of July on 4 p.m. SPY opened around here, and up until right now, SPY is only up about 3% month to date. About 3%. And if this month you make more than 3%, you already beaten the market. You're performing better than the market. Even professionals like institutional traders, all that, you go and check. Most of them, right, their yearly return is about 20 to 40% range. So if you can do every year, you can do 20%, 50%, you're doing extremely good already. But I know there are people out there who are really crazy that type. 1 month they can have 100% ROI on their account, which I have no idea how to do. My side is about consistency. Okay, hope this can help you a little bit. 5% per week. Oh, Rick, you up 20% now. Well, now we are week 4 already. Week 4. This month we have 5 weeks. Fuyo. King Mark. Fuyo, 5% a week. Nice. Just now I also received a text. Someone actually inquired on the course, and then he says he tell me that he wants to consistently make about 5% per week. Then I just tell him I myself I make about 5% to 20% a month. So consistently 5% a week I think is quite impossible unless you are really really good. 15% maybe. Oh, nice lah, Rick. Nice. Congratulations, my friend. Congratulations. We can go slow already, really like this month you're up 15%. Imagine you're up 15%. You already compound like 3 months of 2 months plus 3 months of your returns already. No wonder all tell me you earn back school fees already. I was like, really so fast? Okay lah, good. I'm happy to see that. Yes, just give yourself a very realistic target that you can achieve, and you won't be disappointed. You won't overtrade. You'll be more emotionally stable. Like maybe yesterday we also don't have much position, right? So I just nothing to do lor. We just watch the market, chit chat, go and play our games. When there's opportunity, that's when we start to get ready, then we get in. So right now, like AMD flying already, we won't be jumping in anymore. We will need to wait for a pullback before we go in. Wow, good lah, good. I'm speechless, and I'm happy. You guys make back your money so fast. Fantastic, man. Really fantastic. For 15%, you're up more than me. I'm only about 13.6%. No, 14% now. 14% already. Coming, okay? 14% now. Rick, do you risk more than me? Do you, stick to the 0.5% or, 1%, or you risk like maybe 2%? This marketing director not doing his job. Okay lah, don't random. I think he's tired already lah. His job is tedious, that kind. Oh, Magnificent 7, you go 2%. Okay, nice. Very long. Never hear you say FOMO turns into regret. Yeah, that's why, guys. You see, today we take a loss on DAL is not, and it's nothing of a big deal though. Just take that loss. Or even DAL, we do it as a swing trade. We lost 1%. Just take that 1% loss. But overall, the month you are still up about 14-15%. Isn't that good? Just imagine for a second. We don't say like 15%. We don't go anything like too much. We just put 10% a month. 10% a month for 5 years. You just press on calculate. You already got 3 million. 3 million if you can, consistently make about 10% every single month. And then if you all go and do research, institutional traders, they don't even make so much. The good ones is about 20 to 40%. Sometimes when we go into a bear market, some of the institutional traders, they even lose money though. They go negative in the whole year. You can do some research in 2022 and doing, I think 2022, I remember there were quite a few big names. The company didn't make money, actually went into negative. He's not making us laugh today. Okay, guys, don't swan him, your brothers and sisters, okay? Later he really angry. Okay, Adrian, okay, give him a break, give him a break. Today he end work very late. Just now when I texted him, we were almost just, starting our live stream. And that's when he was still on his way home, okay? Chill, ใจเย็นๆ okay? You got reported in ML. Congratulations, Hazel, congratulations. Come, Hazel, give me 4 number, I go and buy 4D. If I win, if I win, maybe I split you 50%. For scolding people. You are really another level. Okay, hey, Raymond, are you here? Raymond, I think you asked me about UNH, is it? Are you the one who asked? Oh, you asked. Okay, this one's standard. Standard. We have an impulse, a correction. We need one more impulse. So definitely, I'm still looking at this, 0.382 level. Nothing changed. Nothing changed as of right now. Even with just now that news, nothing changed. Just target there. Oh, wait, let me go back. UNH. Wait, how to go back? Your target. No. I'm not going to enter this stock. But then, this is how the wave structure will develop. Yeah, even it comes to 270, I don't think I will be interested to buy. But if you want to, you can go and buy maybe a 2 weeks option when it comes to about 270. You can try lah. Just buy a 2 weeks option and then see whether it will go or not. I don't think 250 though. I don't think so. About 260, 270, you can start already. Then just buy a 2 weeks option and see whether it comes to about 385 or not. Yeah, just don't buy the stock. Okay, don't buy the stock. You'll be stuck inside. Yeah, you saw, right? Do you see the student group chat or something? Ayo, so sorry guys. I forget to look at the student group chat again. Yeah, we saw, right? Rick sent in the news. Yeah. Yeah, UNH is, that thing is still going on. That investigation is still going on. No, I know, UNH is a huge medical company in the US. But with all this news, right, just try to be a little bit more careful. Use options. Someone put in Momo minus 1 million%. What thing minus 1 million%? Braveheart, what is that though? Oh, future trades. I don't know how to trade futures though. Yeah, my style is I've been doing this same thing over and over again. I buy and sell shares, buy a little bit of options. Mostly I trade the China market, US market, and then a little bit of cryptocurrencies. And that's it now. I used to trade forex, but then I totally stopped it. I used to trade forex and commodities. I like gold and silver so much. And oil. I also like it so much. Oil is like one of the best already. Okay, Tesla is not moving, but then we still got some chance, so just let it be. Futures very dangerous. I think I never trade futures before. Okay, when I was trading forex, using those MT4, MT5 or that, they do provide futures, but then I try to click into it, but I have no idea how to do it, so I just leave it out. The futures, I think I read something about it. Uh, Futures, there's expiry date, right? If I'm not wrong. Okay. Will lose unlimited. Stocks, you also lose unlimited amount. If let me show you this example. I have a very, very good friend. He believes in Neo so much. I have no idea why. Okay, I told him, I went to research for him and I told him, just don't buy this company. Okay, I have a friend who bought Neo. Average cost is about $40, so somewhere around this area. From maybe March 2021, around there, $40. And you just take a look, 4 years later, he's still jammed at the very same, he's still jammed though, you know? Like $40 to right now $4, this is like 90% loss already. So might as well just treat it as 100% loss. 4 years. And I think he pumped roughly about maybe 40,000-50,000 into this stock. Then he become like so demoralized, stuck for 4 years, That 40 to 50,000 he can put somewhere else though. Just go and buy VOO, he also make more than this. Yeah, they are my very close friends. When I talk to them about all this, they don't trust me. So okay, what can I do? It's only until recently I start, live streaming, and then they see, students joining my group or that. They start to trust. They trust a little of what I say. So they all start to come into live stream and ask. Yeah, they are my very close friends. Are very, very close friends. But then I never share like all this with them. Sometimes, they do see me looking at the market or that, or I just, buy this and that shares like that. That's it. I never, go into details or that. I know, because close friends is difficult to, they usually don't trust you lah. It's normal. Yes, correct. Normally, it's strangers that will trust you. Your friends are the first one that come to you. The first thing is to ask for discount. Yes, friends, family, relative, mostly is the last one. Yes, it's normal. It's very, very normal. Like now on my Facebook, I have so many friends keep texting me like non-stop that kind. The first thing they ask, brother, you host already, can give me discount or not? I say cannot lah. I need to be fair to all my students. For this Netflix, not Netflix. MSTR reject this zone so nicely. Really? But okay. I have a business partner who's inside my group. So that guy, he trusts me a lot. From a long time ago, right? We have a group of friends. Then after, he's the only one that trusts me a lot. He'll always, last time call me and ask me what I buy and sell. So he's right now inside the group. The rest of them, they don't trust me. They think that I'm joking with them. Because a lot of times, I don't take things very serious, they feel. I like to joke about this and that. So they think that you 100% don't know how to trade lah. Then I also never show them my account. Only that one guy, because he's also my business partner, so we work together more. Then I show him my account, he was shocked that I have a few. That one I would, prefer to keep low profile. Huh? I'm actually quite a low profile person. I don't normally, like to share all this. Uh, Even when I started my own, account and everything, I deleted all my past photos. I mean, like deleted everything. I don't want people to go and search about me. Then after that, but I had no choice. Some of the students inside the group, because I went to play game with them. Then after they noticed something. If not, nobody will knows. Okay, Tesla. Maybe I don't know whether we will get stopped out or not. But if we do get stopped out, we will turn it into a swing trade. Okay, we will take another position again. Yes, correct. It's not moving. Even my Amazon short also coming for break even now. Hey, okay. MSI. MSI. Oi, what is this? MSI. Wait, what happened to my chart? My god. MSI. Hazel, you want to buy this? MSI. Are you looking at something, Hazel? This one, I think maybe you need to. I think you need to look for shots. Yes, I think you need to look for short, not long. Wait, I double confirm again. This one looks good for short though. Okay, thank you, Hazel. Wait, playing ML. Okay, can, no problem. I set the alarm already, so we can monitor for a bit. This one looks more like going for short. Guys, you all have any questions or not? Crowd also looks like another good one for a short. You think Tesla will rebound later? Uh, I'm not too sure, but then, yep, if you know that day trade I got stop out, I will take it first. I'll take it, then I'll reposition again. How does margin work with short? How does margin work with short? It's the same thing as going for longs, but then the interest that you pay is a little bit higher. There will be another interest for you to pay. I think it's about 3% per annum, but it's really not a lot because they charge you based on a daily basis. AMD good, super good. I like it. What is this circle? Like you buy, you use margin, right? Then you pay a bit cash. If you sell, you get the money. Do you still pay? Do you still pay upon selling? Yes, correct, Rick. When it goes up, right? Uh, it will eat into your margin also. Correct. It's like the opposite. But then the very same thing with going for longs. No problem, no problem. Yeah, when the market, is very bad, that kind, when you go for short, you'll be really thankful. You don't even bother about, how much interest they charge you, all that. You can easily cover because your RR is good. So with your good RR, just pay a little bit of interest, or it's fair, right? Someone borrow you margin for you to open, buy more shares so that you pay a bit of interest. I think it's a fair deal, lah. Not like they are Along or something, they charge you 10%, 20%. But overall, the highest I think for Momo is about 6.8%, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, we can use perplexity, okay? We can go and do a search. Uh, yes, a lot more trades, really, a lot more trades, more than your cash alone. And then I know Momo is about 3% plus for shorting. And then interactive broker, I can't remember already though. Oh, okay. Interactive broker got something good, huh? Your net asset value, if it's less than 100,000, got no interest. No interest for shorting. Yes, Rick, now you see the benefit of margin account, right? It's nothing scary, really nothing scary. At times, okay, when you are here long enough, right, I can tell you for sure is that you will meet a black swan event, something like just now you sent in the UNH news, but on a bigger scale. Remember yesterday there was a lady here, I think her name is Chanel or something. She asked about, the Nikkei, and then she is afraid that they might have another, don't call what, carry trade. So she scared that next month, right, maybe there will be some black swan event in the yen again, and then it will cause the market to plunge. There will be times, right, out of a sudden, before market open or anything, before you even see the news, the market suddenly drop a lot. And that's when, right, when we use a margin account, we have to take on a larger loss. Maybe you risk about 1%, and then that's when you take on maybe 2%, 3%, 4% loss. But overall, it's still okay because some of your stop loss will be triggered, some will not. Just take the loss first, and then just continue to keep doing what you are doing. Very shortly, 1 month, 2 months, you should be able to make it back. Yes, correct. Yes, yes. But normally when they start to dump, right, they also don't dump like okay, I can show you on SPY. So if we go back to SPY, right, I try to go to the hourly chart, and then I show it to you during that last year August period. It should be this. This. I think it's this. Yes, here. Okay, this is the thing. This, right? This is that black swan event. You see this gap? Do you see this gap, right? This is the part where the yen got that carry trade risking. So SPY tank down roughly about 5%. Usually, right? Usually for SPY, even it's a recession or something, your gap down, the very first gap down, right, is usually about 2% to 5% range. Rarely it will go more than 5%. So once this gap down, what do you see? Shortly after that, the market starts to recover, fill the gap. Before you know, you get one pullback, then SPY starts to go up again. Yeah, so this is the thing that, when you do backtesting, go and search, go and research, go and see when are all the market crises, when are all the black swan events, go and look at them. How is the market condition like? You rarely will you know even like if someone go and bomb US, or something, maybe you'll get a 5% gap. Then after the next day, it will gap down a little bit lower, and then the following day maybe a little bit lower. It won't suddenly like from here, right? And then the market just chung all the way until maybe 200 or something. You won't see that. Even you go back to like uh, dot com bubble, the housing bubble, and everything, you don't see that as well. Even like COVID, right? COVID period, where is it? Here. You look at COVID period. So when the news hit, right, what happened? It gap down here. So this gap down, you see how much it gap down? Roughly about 3%. COVID, 3%. And then you look at what happened next. The following day, gap down again. Then in between here, a lot of gap down. Something like that. So you don't one shot like from this area, and then because of a super bad news, you end up here. You don't see that. It's always, a gradual, gap down, slowly going down. So if you look at COVID period, you can look at this. Just look at this. How many gaps there is just within 4th of March 2020 all the way until 23rd of March 2020. About 20 days. 20 days you see so much gaps. Yeah, it's really not that bad, that kind. You can go and research on all the crises. Go and look. This will, give you confidence like whenever you met a crisis or that, how should you manage your position? We can also look at, you see this area, the 2008 crisis. Look at how they move. You don't see like, the market suddenly reach here, then because of one news, it end up here. It doesn't move like that. It will slowly, day by day, it starts to go down. Even when you go back to the next crisis, which is here, the 2000 period or 2001 period, also look at this. See, they go down like slowly. Also not something, crazy like here, and then suddenly come down here. You don't see that. Yes, I'm waiting for what I mentioned in the course. I have not DCA for how many months already? 4 months already. It's okay. It's okay. Because the last time in April, I bought really a lot. I bought until I almost bankrupt. I left with a little bit money only, so I'm okay with that. I will wait for one pullback. When I see that, I will start to DCA again. I will save up, a bit of money out. I want to DCA. But if you are doing VOO, uh, this current market condition, I really feel that is very, very strong though. I'm also not too sure when that pullback will come, although the next target is 637. If I don't see that very huge pullback, maybe I will still wait for a little bit, just a little bit more. Maybe we wait for something like this one. If not this one, I will start to DCA now. Yes, correct. VIX have to go back up eventually. Correct. Rick, you also want to DCA, is it? Have you saved up, some funds and then go and DCA? When I buy VOO, I seriously I hold it. I have no intention of withdrawing a single cent that kind. I'm going to hold for another 21 years. Unless the stock market really go crazy, then where it just keep tanking and tanking and tanking, that maybe we enter another Great Depression or what. That's when I will go and exit everything lah. Because if you can do a search on this, what happened? Uh, I don't think we'll see this, huh? Hopefully we don't see this. Yeah, I should have asked, give me a table. Give me a table. Hey, how do I type again? Why I cannot type? Stop. No. When okay, in the stock market is okay. The stock market, right? I feel okay. Wait, later I explain about this. Yeah, so you see, the Great Depression, right? They last for very, very long. Look at this, 10 years, 10 years, how to survive? If I see a Great Depression, I will definitely withdraw all my funds. But then, if you are in a recession, all that usually it's not that bad. 2 years, 3 years, you back to the former glory again. You can see these are some of the crises over here. Usually can last about 3 years, sometimes 1 year, sometimes 2 years. Then they go back to their all-time high again. But then when it's a Great Depression, it's different. It took roughly about 10 to 13 years before it starts to recover. So these are the crazy period. Okay, there's this thing, right, in the stock market where you don't see in forex or commodities. Because forex and commodities, people long and short all the time. But then when you come to stocks, because you are investing in a company, so you want the company to grow in the next 5 years, 10 years or something, right? That's why I feel that there are a lot of people with this mentality, like you buy a stock and then you hold and let the company grow. But you need to understand market got cycle, right? every averagely every 7 years we go into a recession. So if we go into a recession, you can start to accumulate stocks all that, but you also need to know like when to exit. Like I always say, when what stocks to buy, right? You look at fundamentals, and then when to be aggressive or defensive, look at macroeconomics. You need to look at whether you are in a recession or not. How is the overall economic health, and then when to enter and exit, look at technicals. So if you can combine all this, I don't see a point like during a recession, why shouldn't you short the market though? So that's why when you come to stocks trading, you see more people buying than shorting. When you talk about short, somebody will think that you are crazy. Then they will tell you it's unlimited loss. Okay, they themselves have not tried it, but they will tell you the loss is unlimited. I have met a lot of people like that. Uh, since when is unlimited though? The most you short, you borrow the shares, and then you want to exit, you just buy back the shares. You are out already, right? You can't possibly time uh, every bottom lah. That's what I can tell you. When you go into a recession or a crisis, all you can do is that try to DCA bit by bits. Like this 2022 period, just look at this. If you go and use the FIB, there are many good levels for you to DCA though. You DCA already, it's still quite easy for you to even get out with break even. Yes, it's unlimited if you don't put stop loss. Same thing like you sell options, the loss is also unlimited. But who say you cannot buy back the option? You can buy back, right? You buy back, then you minimize your loss already. I don't know lah. I don't know how to tell you, but for me, right, whether the market go down, whether the market go up, these are all opportunities. I don't see them like because market tank, then I panic or anything. When I see it tanking, I see opportunity to short the market. Okay, potato. For alert wave, right? I plan to add. I think another. Let me see. Let me see my list. Uh, where is it? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think for alert wave, I will add on another 7 to 8 lessons. More of it is like how to forecast better, how to read the chart, how to take trades with alert wave, and then I want to talk about Netflix. Because that day potato you spot the earnings for Netflix, right? I want to teach you how to read that chart. And what else? There's one more though that I want to do. The one that Adrian sent in, SITM. I also want to do a video about that chart. So plus minus about 7 to 8 more videos for alert wave. And then the SMC one, I don't think it's very long. Maybe we can complete within 10 lessons. I think you give me another 1 or 2 weeks, I should be able to get everything done. Yeah, potato, you can't wait to progress more already, is it? So far, how's everything for you? Like recently, you didn't ask questions already. Is it much clearer right now, or more confusing for you? Okay, Apple starts to move up. Okay, potato, you can definitely send your charts in. Then after that, I can take a look for you. I do understand, Elewave, it's not easy to identify the structures. At times, it can be quite confusing. And that's why you guys are here for a long time and keep sending in your charts. That's how you will get better and better. Then go step by step, bits by bits, try to, identify the structures inside. Eh, okay, okay, okay. Random send a EMD chart. Okay, okay. Oh, you got the week now. Okay, okay. Okay. Yeah, you have to, keep practicing. You will, send your charts in. I verify for you. And then all the students, they are all trying to send in like earlier, Rick also send in. Sometimes I see Hazel sending in, and Adrian also sending in. So there will be more and more charts coming in. Then after that, we can learn from it and uh, see how the whole wave structure develops. SSD. What is SSD? SSD. Okay, Adrian, what you want to know about SSD? Okay, daily, you think that this is the start of the next big move, huh? Let me see on weekly. Okay, it's quite possible. Random, quite possible. Yeah, even on the 1 hour, right, this area, if you do see a nice consolidation, you can start to take the trade. Because you still have a fair bit of distance until the next resistance though. You see this resistance is still quite far away. So definitely can try to take this trade to the upside. Then 4 hours. Yeah, it's quite possible. Weekly anything or not? Yes, random. I think this looks good. You just need to wait for that consolidation here. If you do get that consolidation, I think should be a good trade to the upside. Should be a really, really huge one. Then after maybe you can draw another one here, another trend line somewhere around here. Yeah, but this stock, right, when you trade it, you need to be. I think your stop loss might need to be slightly a little bit wider. Let me go down to the 1 hour and see. Let me see this part. Yeah, I think your stop loss might need to be a little bit wider because can you see on my chart or not? There's a lot of these small, green color candles here and there, something like a gap, but I'm not too sure what is this. And uh, I don't know if it will trigger your stop loss or not. Because it's like, one line only here. It's like throughout the entire hour, right? It's like throughout the entire hour, this candle is not moving at all. So you have like two over here, like there's no trading activity. Yeah, wait for this consolidation to be done. Then after that, you can take the trade to the upside. Did I answer your question? Okay. Yeah, if you want to draw the wave count or something, you can draw, huh? I try not to laugh at you, okay? And then you can try it, and we can have a discussion after that. I think this chart is easy to identify. If you are looking at the maybe the weekly or daily time frame, it should be quite simple. Quite simple, right? Hazel, fantastic, brother. Good job. Good job. Hazel, are you want to tekan Adrian only? I know you. Good job, brother. Simple. It's as simple as that. So you know already, right? Then uh, you can go down to daily and then identify the internal structures. So the internal structures like this, okay, and this, go and identify them. So you'll be able to read this even better. But do you notice one thing about this stock or not? Let me show you, Adrian. You forecast like that is okay. But do you notice that normally when it starts to move, this stock move quite fast? Do you notice that or not? See? And then, yeah, this stock actually move quite fast though. Yes, correct. That's why, right, normally a lot of times I don't label that ABC. Your ABC, right, I will take your A as the impulse, your B, right, as the correction, and then your C as the impulse. I will look at it that way. Because by doing that, right, you can have this like mentality that possibly it can develop into a five-way structure instead of a three-way structure. Yeah, that's the thing. I want to do a video about this. I think because when Adrian yesterday you give me a very good chart that SITM. I think SITM is fantastic, really fantastic that time. You know. Then after that, I want to show you how to read this chart part by parts. So this is the chart. I think this one is like the best example already. Not going for wave E. Normally when you have wave E, you are using either for diagonals, if not for triangles, but more like a five-way structure. The five-way structure is simple as impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. Okay, so I'm looking at impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. Okay, and then we only read the corrective structures. Because why? If you understand the corrective structure, the next one that comes is the impulse. So you just treat this as an impulsive move to the upside. Because you want to know, like, let's say for example, what did I do again? So for example, right, you have one impulse to the upside, you have a correction, and then you only need to identify this correction, and you don't have to really, go and read this impulse. Why? You just use the fib will do. You use the fib, you already know where the next impulse will go to. Then same thing is that after this impulse, it starts to correct again. Okay, that's where you read this correction, because you want to know what type of structure is developing. Then after you have the next impulse, right? Go and fib this impulse. You will know where the next one will end up. So you don't really have to uh, put that ABC that you just sent, because initially, right? Remember your chart, the chart above. I forget what ticker already. So you have like a impulse, you have a correction, you have a one more impulse. So you label this as A, right? And then this one as your B, and then this one as your C. Change, okay? Change this. This A wave, right? I know it looks something like a flat structure, but then try not to think of this A wave as a corrective structure. Think of it as an impulse only, just purely an impulse. Okay, so that you don't have this ABC, you have an impulse, a correction inside here, and then you got one last impulse. And that's when, right, where you want to identify your correction or the corrective structures inside all these pullbacks. You understand? So you label this will do already. The impulses you don't really have to care, just use the fib. The fib accuracy is very high. So you see, by just doing that, you have an impulse, a correction, and then an impulse, a correction, right? Something like, what your chart is doing as of right now. Possible what happened, you have one more impulse to the downside. So by, by identifying all this correction, will be good enough. Because we are always catching the next impulse. The first one, right, just let it go. Yes, the AMD RR good. Can take some partial profits or not. Fuyo, fantastic. Fantastic. But I got something coming down, is it? What is coming down? Oh, UAL. Okay. Fantastic. JD also, yes. Adrian, you understand or not? Oh, you setting your fib level. Okay, can. Rick, is this the first time you trade the China market? Okay, I can help China market, right? The structures are a little bit different from the US market. You really need to be quite ballsy to enter the trade one. Baba 3 times already, 2 times. Because you follow me, right? Me, I recently also don't have much, luck with the China market. Yes. Yes, Adrian, correct. Look at how beautiful it is. If you just purely, really, just look at impulse, correction, impulse will do more than good enough. You don't have to know whether it's a 3-wave or 5-wave structure, because why, we are always trying to identify the correction so that we can have a better timing when it will end, and then we catch the next huge move. That's why for the alert wave lesson we spend 20 over lessons just to learn all this. Because the impulse is not important. I have given you a set of, flip extension levels. They are so accurate, that kind. You already test it on this chart. You can look at it, how nicely it went to there. And then straight away what happened. Correct? It's beautiful, right? So just use the flip will do. You don't have to learn the impulse. You just need to learn the correction. Break 0 to 5. Okay, hopefully we break that losing streak soon. I'm thinking, should I exit everything for AMD or not? Okay, Adrian, if you still don't understand, let me know, huh? I'm down. Rick, because 1:3 already, right? Actually, can just book off everything. To be honest, really can book off everything. Just exit. Is it 1:3? I think so, right? Or I didn't have, enough margin, and then I just buy whatever I have. When did we enter? Yesterday, is it? Yesterday we enter, today 1:3. Nice, man. 1:2.5. My side looks like 1:3, slightly more than 1:3. Did I count wrong or you count wrong? Let me see, huh? Actually, really, no harm, just exit everything. Oh, maybe I calculated the wrong size on my part, okay? Yeah, looks more like 1:2.5. Yeah, I think maybe I calculated wrongly. Yes, one day only, good trade. It actually can exit everything. I think I just exit everything. I secure this one first. Tomorrow is Friday, is it? Let me see. Tomorrow is Friday, huh? Oh, okay lah. Wait. Today is Tuesday. Still haven't reached 12, right? Yeah, so tomorrow is the last day of trading. Okay lah, bros. Guys, just exit everything for AMD. Okay, let's close the trade. Good trade. Yes, Adrian, one more thing about your chart, right? It's good, it's good. Can you see that all those pullback, right? You go and identify those pullbacks will do. Yes, go and read the corrective structures inside the pullback. Then those sharp impulses, right? The one you don't have to read, just use your fib. And then it will be perfect already. Because when you read this way, right, you won't be restricting yourself just to a three-wave structure. You open up yourself to a possibility of developing into a five-way structure also. It's really good the way you draw like that. Okay, how's our Amazon? Is it still coming down? Still coming down, eh? How about Celsius? What? Oh, nice. Hazel, thanks for the trade. Very, very nice. CCI. Okay lah, we TP at a very good price. Good job. CORZ. Still not going much. This trade like a bit. Okay, maybe need to be a little bit more patient for this trade. GD garbage. My god. How about Baba? Baba coming down. Okay, Baba also coming down. 0.5. You're very funny, my friend. Okay, I need to help you to break this streak, okay? Cannot 0.5. 0.5 already too much. Way too much. We try to... You wanna try again, Baba? Okay, China market coming down. HSI also pulling back a little. Okay. Maybe tomorrow or next week we try Baba Futu and TCOM. Okay, guys, I go and get some water. Okay, I come back shortly. Okay, I'm back. Okay lah, guys. The market is also slow down now, quite boring. Uh, we stream for 5 more minutes, okay? Y'all got any more questions? Rick, I think you see the China stocks, you're so scared now. Yes, really got nothing to do now. Y'all want to play Mobile Legend or not? Hazel 100% say, let's go. Yes, market damn boring. We need a pullback lah. We need that pullback, okay? Like, so the rest, are you all up for Mobile Legend? Oh, you have been playing? Okay, okay. Work spot, can. What you want to see? Work spot. Okay, Rick, what do you want to know? Fuyo. Oh, now negated. Negated. I think negated already. Yes, slightly negated already. That's why yeah, just now when you said, I also don't think it will develop into a triangle. Yeah, even MACD didn't give you that confirmation, right? Yes, correct, Adrian. Yeah, but there's no confirmation with MACD. That's why I don't think it will develop into a triangle. Okay, this is also good. Okay, so guys, what you can do right over here, every single time how I read this, that I read this as impulse, okay, then this one will be your corrective structure. But then, Adrian, what's the difference between the chart that you sent, right? This one is, the chart that you sent is Simpson, okay? What's the difference is that the one that you're looking at is a structure. It's very huge, that kind. It takes roughly about 1 year already. So that one is a structure. So when it's a structure, I look at them as like, impulse. Okay, yours is to the downside, so I draw down one. So I just look at it as either can develop into a 3-way structure or a 5-way structure. Okay, so minimally right now we are looking at is only a 3-way structure. So this one is your impulse. Okay, then this is your correction, and then this one is your impulse. So what you want to do right now is actually to identify only the correction. Then purely looking at this as your impulses will do already. Unless you're looking like on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, 1 hour time frame, you want to label them like your previous example, I think it's fine. But then when it's developing such a huge structure, such a huge correction, normally I won't label them as an ABC or something. I will just look at it as impulse, correction, impulse. Either develop into a 3-wave or a 5-wave structure. Then I only want to read the correction part only. The correction will do. Yes, Rick, that's the thing. Don't have that D and E. That's why possible, this one can develop a bit choppy here, then a bit choppy here before it starts to fire off. It's also another possibility. Yeah, so you have to wait. But the moment, right, it comes to break this low, that means the whole thing negated already. Adrian, do you understand better on this part? If not, I will be doing a new video. A new video maybe this weekend. Because I want to use your that instrument. I think it's SITM. Yeah, I was looking at it. It's beautiful. This one is beautiful. We can definitely use it for that video. You can tell, right? This one easily is your my mouse lag. Sorry, this is your correction. This is your structure. This is your correction, and then this one is your another structure. No, this one is not your structure. This one is your structure. Sorry. The middle one is your structure. So whenever it's a structure, I tend to look at it as a 3 or 5-wave structure only. But don't worry, if you are still confused, let me do that video and then you go and watch. Okay, Rick, very, very good. Good job. I know all of you will watch lah. Yeah, I want to teach you guys to read the chart even better. Are you still lacking behind the lessons? Okay. Yeah, because this is the part where I talk more about teaching you how to forecast or all that. Yeah, Adrian, go ahead. You want to arrange 1-to-1. Come on, I'm ready for that, guys. Yeah, it's okay. After the ending, after the diagonals, right? That's where things gets more interesting because this is the part about position management. So I teach you how to read complex quantity structure, how to forecast the direction, and then this is just to clear some of your doubts, and then how you manage your position with wave theory, and then you can use it to do position trading. And then this area, right? This how to read the charts better with alert wave. I will add additional, I think likely about 5 more videos in 5 to 7 lah. Then after that, I think after you complete all these lessons over here, you should have a pretty good idea how to forecast already, because the way you all label all that right, is really not bad, not bad. You actually see it already. Just that I don't want you to like restrict yourself. Like just now, random the previous chart that you sent the ABC, right? Yes, I know it does looks like a ABC, but then sometimes structure can develop into something very very complex. So that's why try not to restrict yourself and think that after the ABC is done, and then you have a huge upside. And you look at what is it doing, like, your very first image about the Simpson chart, right? You after the C wave, look at what is it doing. It's quite choppy though. So possible you have a 5-way structure instead of a 3. Yeah, so I will add on, I think maybe 5 to 7 more videos. I have already made some plans, so I just have to film the videos. Yeah, but no matter how, guys, you are really doing a very good job, really, really, really good job. So far, the mistakes are not like the super major one. At least you all can start to see those 3-wave correction, 5-wave correction. Just that you can't, still not very, very used to it. So I will create more videos to help you to see better. Yeah, which is why we have like so many lessons just on reading, different types of corrective structures. With all these, right, you combine them, and then once you are able to combine them, you will start to see things a lot differently. It will be much easier for you as well. Huh? What thing you buy from Carousel? Huh? Really? Trading View Premium $18 for 1 year? Really or not? $18 for 1 year. Oh, 1 month. Huh? 1 month is expensive, right? Oh, 1 month is cheap. Yeah, so far TradingView haven't given me the reply. I just checked my email. Yeah, if not random, you can buy the monthly subscription first until you get the good discount. Ah, okay, understood. Yeah, if you get that good discount, then after that, don't just subscribe for 1 year. It will be awesome lah. It's your charge, you save down a lot of time. Uh, you don't have to keep changing account or what. Then you can focus on reading the charts better. Oh, I never use Spotify though. I use YouTube. Even I play music, all that, I go to YouTube. Yeah, I think YouTube nowadays can do everything. The only downside is that you cannot watch movie only. But if you can watch movie, that will be fantastic. Okay, everyone, wish us good luck for tomorrow's Intel earning. I have a long-term investment in Intel. Wish me good luck, okay? Intel, fly to the moon, $40. If Intel fly to $40, okay, tomorrow no live stream. Tomorrow we take a day off. $40. Okay. This is like how much? Almost 100% ROI. Okay. Intel need to gap up 76%. Okay. The earnings is so good. And then the future guidance is even better. It says that it's going to, overtake AMD with the latest technology that nobody can copy. Then it will be the next 5 years before your NVIDIA even can catch up with Intel on all this technology. That's why it gave up 76%. No lah, tomorrow after the earnings, I got a feeling Intel possible what will happen is that if right now market close at around this price, I think the earnings you will see it spike down after it come back to the same level again. I think so. Then if it's doing something like that, spike down, come back to the same level, okay, I will hold my long-term investment. But if this spike down like that, okay, goodbye. Tomorrow I'm closing off everything up. I think I give it, enough patience. I hold it for about 4 months already though. Oh, you want to check for live data, you need to go to your account settings though. Where to go? I think settings and billings. Subscription where? Here. You need to go to the account settings and billings. And then after that, you need to have this real-time market data. You only need to subscribe to 2. You don't need a lot. Okay, you need the New York Stock Exchange and then the Nasdaq stock market. These 2 will do. Enough. Mine is also going to expire soon. 15th of September. About 1.5 months. Expensive, I don't even know this is USD or SGD. Anyone know or not whether this is USD or SGD? Okay, Tesla, stop loss. No problem, okay? We try again next time. Should be SGD. Okay. SGD then good, huh? If it's USD 600 plus for USD is like expensive though. Cause your site is MYR. Okay, understood. Okay, Tesla stop loss. Update the group. Wait, let me check my position also. Yes, Tesla stop loss. Okay, can, no problem. Tesla. Okay, Tesla, let's see. Next bearish or May Tai. Next bearish or bullish? What do you mean? Okay, I think the next time we try to take a swing trade. Swing trade, try not to day trade. Day trade, but I think I'm still quite interested in day trade though. Okay, I'll wait for a little bit. If there's opportunity, I update all of you again. No worries, Adrian. We will make more money in the market. Then after that, you don't need that account already. You'll buy your own account. Okay, guys, 12:30. 12:30. Okay, we go non. Okay, I think I'll go and play games with my students. You want to play game or not? Or you all want to study? Play ah. Okay. Come, let's go. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow on live stream. Okay, let's go and play some games. Okay, thank you everyone for coming. Okay, see you tomorrow. Stay safe. Good night. Rest well. Sweet dreams. Bye bye. See you guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.